Hello, everyone. I'm Elad Feldman, and I'm an MSc student at Ben-Gurion University. Thank you for attending this demo about drones cryptoanalysis. This is a joint work made by Nassi, Aviel, Levy, Yaron, Pirutin, Ryusuke, Masuoka, and my advisors, Professor Asaf Shabtai and Professor Yuval Elovici. Now, drones in an open skies era are creating new threats, like terrorism, smuggling, and spying. Our aim at this demo is to show how to distinguish between a friend and a foe drone based on visual tokens and to eliminate those threats. Current authentication methods authenticate a drone based on radio transmissions. However, those methods are vulnerable to impersonation. Our method uses visual signals as a form of transmitting an RSA token and thus achieve robust authentication method even to close and similar looking drones. The message is transmitted by flashing a gadget placed on the top of the drone and a camera that monitors the drone and authenticate them if they are operated by a legitimate user. In this video, we are witnessing one of the experiments we did by flashing the LCD screen on top of the drone. We are able to achieve the token and confirm the legitimacy of the drone. Thank you.